so much rain out here. Ow. What's wrong with the sky? It's all weird. What's going on here? Ow! Ow! What is wrong with this rain? Ow! What the heck? What in the heck is wrong with this rain? It burned my skin! It's like acid, only coming from the sky. But I can't stay out here under this umbrella forever. Then yeah, I can't even leave out of under it. So literally, like anything. Well, there's some stuff up there. I could probably get that. Well, I couldn't find much, but here's a stool that I can use. It's a little wet, but it's not hurting me. So I think it's because since it was raining earlier and the wind must have put some of the water under the umbrella to hit the stool. But it wasn't stinging like acid at that time. So I guess this will have to do, and I'm gonna have to find a way to get inside. Okay, the door's just over there. Let's go. No, the thing go. Oh, great. I guess I'm not going to be leaving this umbrella for a while. Ow. And I didn't bring an umbrella with me because it wasn't raining at the time. It wasn't raining when I went out to get some stuff. Ugh. My hands. My face. Ugh. It's starting to rain even more. I just need to find a place with shelter that I can quickly run to. Just gotta completely cover myself. And hopefully then I can find a place in, because the house is completely locked. Can't find a way in. The shop! I could just run over to the shop. If it's locked though, I'll just have to stay under it for a bit. Or I can use the trampoline. I'll try the shop first. Okay then. Here I go. Ow! Ow! Oh shoot! Dang it! The thing is hot! And then... I can't get in my face. I need better cover than this. The trampoline should work. Oh shoot. Okay. I gotta get as close as I can to it without touching the rain. But then I'll have to leave early because there's a bee's nest up there. A wasp nest. Okay. I think this is going to be as far as I can go. Ah! Ow! This is all I can really do. Oh no. Water's still going through the top here. I'm still stuck. Ow. Okay. This is all I could do for now. But I can't stay here. I need to get inside. I know this stuff can burn through my flesh, but can it burn through other things? I can't stay here. Ow! Go! Go! like the rain's starting to die down a bit. But it's not enough to give me enough time to find a way back into the house. Oh, I'm losing too much. I can't go out there anymore. I'm just gonna have to pass by the time and stay under here. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it if I keep trying to get out. I just gotta be patient. Oh my god. This really stings. Really, really stings. Is this happening to anyone else out there? My plants are dying. I think it's starting to affect more than just people now. Oh no. It's starting to go through the umbrella. This is the best cover I can get though. I gotta move to this spot. It's better not be real, but it stings. How is everyone else doing through all this? This hurts. I gotta get in somehow. I gotta find something that has to help me out here. At least need to get back to that door. If I can get back to that door, I think I can like unlock it from the inside. The doggy door. I can unlock it. Yes, I can unlock it through the doggy door. Stick my arm through it, unlock the door. I think I can manage, but I need something to help me cover myself up so I can get past. Could I fit under the chair? I think this could work. Yep. I think it can work just fine. Time for me to get through that door now. Hopefully. I'm here at the door. Just gotta find a way to get down there through the doggy door. Place it. Okay, I think I can get it from here. I think I was able to unlock it. I gotta quickly get this chair off, and once I do, I'll run inside. Okay. Ow! My hands! Get upstairs. I think there's some stuff in here that I can use to help me bandage myself up. I think this is the best I can really do right now. I couldn't find much, but it's something at least. Hopefully this rain will pass by soon. I might as well just sleep for a bit. Let this stuff heal. I don't think these bandages are going to stay up very long. Yeah, these aren't going to hold. These are just temporary. Okay. Well then, good night, I guess. Okay. So, my injuries aren't so bad now. I need to see if it's still raining acid out there. It stopped. That's a relief. I don't think I'll be going outside for a while though. But since that's over, I think I should go to the doctor to get this checked out. At least now that's finally over.